I'll show you in the quick and easy way how you can buy coins for eFootball with a debit card. So first off, you want to go to your game here, right? On shop, and then just click on shop. Now, once you're on shop, you can see there's a section called eFootball coins, the one with the red box there. You just want to click on that. Now, once you're on the page here, pick whichever coin amount you want, and you'll need to pay the subsequent amount as well. Now, once you click on the amount you want to buy, a Google Play pop-up will come out here. Now, on the Google Play pop-up here, just click on the Google Pay balance on the one with the red box. After that, you will have to pick a payment methods. Now, on the payment methods, you're gonna pick a debit card or a credit card, right? If you haven't entered your details, this is where you're gonna be prompted to enter in your details like your debit and credit number as well. But once it's verified, you just have to click on OK, and then that's it. Your eFootball coins will be purchased by using a debit card. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.